You're so fucking I'm by the kid. I fucking love you. Erectile dysfunction is a part of charity. 1 in 5 minutes from erectile dysfunction. I'm out of order. Come on, you have to fucking give me money for this shit. I need $2 for that for it. I fucking love you. You're fucking my man. I'm by the fucking kids. Erectile dysfunction is a part of charity. 1 in 5 minutes from erectile dysfunction. I need this money for an operation. An operation. 1 in 5 minutes from erectile dysfunction. 1 in 5 men. Can you have to please 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent. I don't give a shit. Just give me some money. I give $2 for an operation. And look guys, I'm out of fucking order. I'm a sign up and all. Erectile dysfunction. Support my charity. Erectile dysfunction. Everything the money if I was doing it. 1 in 5 men suffer from erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Support my charity. 1 in 5 men suffer from erectile dysfunction. Is that a fucking bin? What the fuck are you doing? Is that a fucking bin? Throw shit inside there.
Here, take a drink.